Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Use 1 kilogram Napa cabbage, quartered, and salt with 3 tablespoons coarse salt, massaging between leaves so the brine develops quickly. Soak and weigh the cabbage for 2 hours, turning every 30 minutes to draw out water and soften the stems. This ensures a crisp texture later. After the 2-hour rest, rinse thoroughly under cold water twice and drain for 30 minutes so excess brine is removed before you mix the paste and seasonings into the leaves. Blend 4 cloves garlic, 2 inches ginger, and 3 green chilies into a smooth paste as the flavor base for Indian-style kimchi. Add 3 tablespoons red chili powder, 2 tablespoons jaggery, and 1 tablespoon tamarind paste to balance heat with sweet and sour notes typical of regional pickles. Stir in 2 tablespoons mustard oil and 1 teaspoon turmeric for flavor and preservation. Finally, fold in 2 tablespoons toasted mustard seeds or 1 tablespoon crushed fenugreek for a warm, earthy finish. Coat each cabbage leaf with the spice paste, then layer into a clean one. 5-liter jar or crock so the paste sits between leaves for even flavor distribution. Press down firmly to remove air, leaving 3.5 centimeters headspace to allow gases to expand, then seal with a lid or fermentation weight and keep at 20 to 22 Celsius to ferment for 3 to 7 days depending on your taste. Taste daily. Refrigerate once the desired tang develops to slow fermentation, and store in the fridge for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.